The Latin square is a simple research design for the setup of an experiment that has two sources of nuisance variables. Nuisance variables are those that can affect the experiment but are not believed to have an interaction with the variable to be tested. Let's take a look at a simple setup. Suppose you want to test 5 different varieties of plants in 3 different locations in an area. This would require 3 distinctive setups, one for each distinct location. Since each location is distinct, there are several possible nuisance variables. These occur because each location is distinct and will have unique characteristics. In this case, the nuisance variables would be the soil type and the east, west, north, south location. Soil does vary even in local areas. We often assume that these variations are minimal and do not make a significant difference. Also, the location in an east-west, north-south orientation might make a difference. We often assume that these differences would be minimal. Therefore, the assumption is that the 3 factors, variety, soil, and location, do not interact. The Latin square controls the nuisance variables. This is done by placing the replications in each location in a specific grid. The setup. The experiment is that we are going to test 5 different varieties of a plant. Each variety will appear only once in any column or row. The number of columns and number of rows in the experiment design equals the number of treatment levels. Since we have 5 treatment levels, we would have 5 rows and 5 columns. Think of this as a small Sudoku square. In the end, each column and each row will have only one variety only once. This gives us a layout that will therefore have 5 replications. The variation in soil and location are then diluted over the design. Each treatment is fairly exposed to the nuisance variables. When you use the Latin square, you will normally have several plants in each square that will provide for greater precision in your analysis. You can use Latin squares at different locations to provide for comparison locations as well as the treatment variables.